We got there pretty early last year, I think, didn't we? That's why we had to sit around.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, missed a whole lot.
Not a whole lot.
A helicopter?
We saw a whole
Yeah.
lot.
It's a helicopter that was flying through it.
Everything is crazy.
America.
I don't want it. I don't want a little pond.
It's over.
Damn.
America.
You want one? Yes.
Who doesn't?
Get away from people, though.
Takes a lot of light. Get the internet really hot.
Yikes. Hey, hey.
Yeah, it spews sparks.
Hey, hun. You could hurt me. Stop and don't
Seriously, get
hurt
away
the
from
chair.
me. Plastic bag.
Get away from our table.
America.
Wait. Okay.
I just keep saying. You can hold it real close. How many of these bad boys do you have? Okay, I will have
For America.
for America.
For these United States. America.
American people are proud. Fire with fireworks.
That's right.